Here we have a frequency distribution, number of mistakes here versus the frequency, or how often we have a mistake that's in that range. We want to find these unknowns, A, B, and C. We'll notice here that the bottom grouping we're given from 1 to 4 mistakes, and it's got a frequency here of 3. So there were 3 times that we had 1 to 4 mistakes. That's what that means. Well, this grouping up here from B to 8, that has to have the same width as the grouping below, the 1 to 4. Now notice that to get from 1 to 4, you add 3. Or to get from 4 back to 1, you would subtract 3. So that lets us find this number B here. So to get from 8 back to B, we would subtract 3. So B must be 8 minus 3, or 5. So this has got to be a 5. And then up on top here, we've got this grouping from 9 up to A. Well, going from left to right here, we add 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12. This A has to equal 12. So now that means that this bottom grouping here, or that bottom class, includes the number of mistakes, 1, 2, 3, or 4 mistakes. The middle grouping, or the middle class, includes 5, 6, 7, or 8 mistakes. And the top class, 9, 10, 11, or 12. So all of the classes, or the groupings, contain 4 different numbers. Over here we've got the frequencies. 5 times that there were 9 to 12 mistakes, 3 times that there were 1 to 4 mistakes. And down here, n equals 16 is the total. So the 16 is the total number of times that we made mistakes. So these numbers here, 5, C, and 3, they have to add up to 16. So 5 plus that unknown number C plus 3 has to equal 16. So 5 plus 3 here is 8. So C plus 8 equals 16. And then that means that C must equal 16 minus 8. So when we subtract 8 on both sides, this 8 comes over to the right as a negative, which is 8. So C is equal to 8. Then 5 plus 8 plus 3 is 16.